tricky calendar problems. Now, here is the big trick on these. You're always going to add and then subtract to solve these. Always add first, subtract second. It's only going to be 2 steps on all of these, but the tricky part is knowing what you're going to add and what you're going to subtract. Let's take a look at, there's 2 different kinds of problems. Don't stop watching the video when I'm done with the first one, because the second one is very different than the first one. Today is Monday, December 5th. 2 weeks ago is November what? Okay, let's take a look at, we've got 2 calendars, 2 calendar months. December 5th, let's say that's right about in here, right? So this is December, and we're going back into the month of November because it says 2 weeks ago. So I'm going to go back 2 weeks, someplace, about right in here. How do I figure out what that is? First, I take the days in November. I always take the days from the first month, the month that comes at the earlier time, and I add first to that first number. So November plus the 5. How many days are in November? 30 days has November, April, June, and 30 days has September, April, June, and November. So 30 plus 5 gives me 35. Now I have a number that's actually kind of like having the 35th of November. See, there's 30 days in November plus 5 more in December. This is like the 35th day of November, even though there is no such thing. So I added first, and now I'm going to subtract. 35 minus, I'm going 2 weeks ago. That means 14 days. 1, 2. So the answer is November 21st. Simple. Add and then subtract. Now that's going backwards. This is going back in time. What about a problem that goes forward in time? Today is Friday, March 25th. 3 weeks from today, it will be April what? So I've got 2 months. I've got March here, and I've got April here. Okay, I'm starting on March 25th. Let's say that's about right in here somewhere. I'm going to go ahead 3 weeks. So let's do that first. Remember, I always add first. So I'm going to do 25, 3 weeks ahead, plus 21 is 46. So the answer is April 46th? No, there's no such thing. And besides, we're still in the month of March. This is March. I'm adding 3 weeks into March, and I'm getting March 46th. Well, there is no such thing as March 46th. So what I'm going to do is take all the days of March out of my answer, and what's going to be left are the days that are left in April. So I take my answer of March 46th, I subtract all the days in March. You're always going to deal with all the days of the first month. You're never going to deal with all the days of the second month. All the days in March are 31. I subtract and get 15. So the answer is April 15th. Remember, add and then subtract. You might need to watch this video more than once.